Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Francis. In today's lesson, we're going to learn 10 useful English vocabulary words. For each word, you'll learn its meaning and hear an example sentence. Let's start learning English one word at a time. Our first word is happy. Happy means feeling joyful or pleased. Example, I am happy because I passed my exam. Our second word is friend. A friend is someone you like and trust. Example, she is my best friend. 3. Beautiful. Meaning, very attractive or pleasant to look at. Example, the flowers are beautiful. 4. Learn. Meaning, to gain knowledge or a new skill. Example, I want to learn English. 5. Healthy. Meaning, in good physical condition. Example, eating vegetables keeps us healthy. 6. Busy. Meaning, having many things to do. Example, my mother is busy today. 7. Kind. Meaning, caring and helpful. Example, my teacher is very kind. 8. Strong. Meaning, having great physical power. Example, he is strong because he exercises every day. 9. Dream. Meaning, something you hope to achieve. Example, my dream is to become a doctor. 10. Success. Meaning, achieving a goal. Example, hard work leads to success. Let's have a review today's vocabulary. Happy. Friend. Beautiful. Learn. Healthy. Busy. Kind. Strong. Dream. Success. Excellent work. Today, you learned 10 new English vocabulary words. Try using these words in your own sentences every day. Learning a few words each day will help you become more confident in speaking English. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next English lesson. See you next time. Goodbye.